हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे। माय नेम इज अनुराग तिवारी। वेलकम टू इनसाइट एकेडमी इंग्लिश। वंस अगेन आई एम हियर विद अ ग्रेट रैपिड फायर विद स्वीटी. स्वीटी, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine. What about you, sir?
आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट. आर यू ऑल एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस? यस सर. फॉर श्योर? यस सर. ओके, स्वीटी, शुरू करें क्या?
Yes, sir. Why not?
रैपिड फायर करने वाले हैं. मैं बता रहा हूँ, बहुत खतरनाक रैपिड फायर होने वाली है. वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड नो योर लेवल. ओके, मैं आ रहा हूँ.
I'm coming.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going.
तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
तुम क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो?
How do you know
तुम
me?
मुझे कब से जानते हो?
Since when have you known me?
तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing here?
वहाँ जाओ.
Go there.
यहाँ आओ.
Come here.
वो कौन है?
Who is he? Is she?
ये कौन है?
Who is he?
मेरी कुर्सी कहाँ है?
Where is my chair?
यहाँ आओ.
Come here.
यहाँ अकेले मत आओ.
Don't come here alone.
मैं आ रही हूँ.
I'm coming.
मैं अकेले आ रही हूँ.
I'm coming alone.
मैं पार्क जा रही हूँ.
I'm going to the
तुम
park.
पार्क कब जा रहे हो?
When will you go to the park? When are you going to the park?
क्या तुम वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो?
Are you recording video?
तुम किसकी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो?
Whom are you recording video?
Whose video are
Whose
you-
video are you recording?
तुम यहाँ क्यों खड़े हो?
Why are you standing here?
तुम कब आओगे?
When will you come?
मुझे जाना चाहिए.
I should go.
मुझे आना चाहिए.
I should come.
मुझे नहीं आना चाहिए.
I should not
मैं
come.
कब आऊंगा?
When will I come?
तुम कब आओगी?
When will you come?
क्या तुम आओगी?
Will you come?
क्या तुम नहीं आओगी?
Will you not
क्या
come?
तुम अकेले आओगी?
Will you come alone?
तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
What do you have?
मेरे पास क्या नहीं है?
What do you not have?
मेरे पास क्या होगा?
What will you have?
क्या तुम्हारे पास क्या होना चाहिए?
What you should? What will?
What should you
What
have?
should you have?
तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं होना चाहिए?
What should you not have?
तुम्हें यहाँ होना चाहिए.
You should come here.
तुम्हें
You
यहाँ
should-
होना चाहिए.
You should be here.
तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए.
You should not be
तुम्हें
here.
खुश होना चाहिए.
You should happy.
यू शुड बी हैप्पी. तुम्हें खुश नहीं होना चाहिए.
You should not be happy.
तुम्हें खुश क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए?
Why should you not be happy?
क्या तुम्हारी इच्छा है डॉक्टर बनने की?
Are you desirous of becoming a doctor?
क्या तुम्हारी इच्छा है इंग्लिश सीखने की?
Are you desirous of speaking English?
क्या तुम्हारी इच्छा है वीडियो बनाने की?
Are you desirous of recording a video and making video?
बहुत अच्छे. मैं आती हूँ.
I come.
वह आती है.
She comes.
वह जाती है.
She goes.
वह नहीं जाती है.
She doesn't go.
मैं नहीं जाता हूँ.
I don't go.
तुम क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
तुम क्या नहीं करते हो?
What do you not do?
क्या तुम ये करते हो?
Do you do
क्या
this?
तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो?
Do you play cricket?
क्या तुम लैपटॉप चलाते हो?
Do you operate laptop?
क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो?
How do you know
तुम
me?
मुझे कब से जानते हो?
Since when have you known
तुम
me?
मुझे क्यों नहीं जानते हो?
Why do you not know
तुम
me?
किसके साथ खेलते हो?
With whom will you play?
तुम कब खेलते हो?
When
क्या
do
तुम
you
शाम
play?
को खेलते हो?
Do you play in the evening?
तुम शाम को क्यों खेलते हो?
Why do you play in the
तुम
evening?
अकेले क्यों खेलते हो?
Why do you play alone?
तुम अकेले क्यों नहीं खेलते हो?
Why do you not play alone?
तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing here?
तुम यहाँ अकेले क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing here?
पंखा चल रहा है.
alone? Fan is going on.
ओके, दैट्स
चल
नाइस.
रहे हो
दैट्स
क्या
नाइस.
बोलते हैं?
मूविंग, नो प्रॉब्लम. दैट्स ऑन. दैट्स नाइस. दैट्स नाइस. ओके, मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ.
I'm recording video.
तुम वीडियो क्यों बना रहे हो?
Why are you making video?
क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
मैं तुम सबको जानती हूँ,
I know you all,
लेकिन मैं तुम्हें नहीं जानती.
but I don't know you.
तुम हो कौन?
Who are you?
तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing here?
तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो?
Why did you come here?
तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो?
Why have you come here?
क्या तुम यहाँ अकेले आए हो?
Have you come here alone?
क्या तुम यहाँ अपनी मम्मी के साथ आए हो?
Have you come here with your mother?
क्या तुम कभी मुंबई गए हो?
Have you ever been to the
क्या तुम
Mumbai?
कभी दिल्ली गए हो?
Have you ever been to Delhi?
क्या तुम कभी मेरे घर पे गए हो?
Have you ever been to my home?
ये लड़का कौन है?
Who is that girl?
ये
Boy.
ये लड़का कौन है?
Who is that boy?
इसका नाम श्लोक है.
His name is Slok.
श्लोक के पीछे दक्ष है. बिहाइंड.
Behind
श्लोक के पीछे दक्ष है.
Daksh is behind of Slok.
बिहाइंड द श्लोक.
श्लोक.
श्लोक हंस रहा है.
Slok is laughing.
श्लोक मुझ पर हंस रहा है.
Slok is laughing on me.
एट मी.
Slok is laughing at me.
श्लोक मुझ पर क्यों हंस रहा है?
Why Slok is laughing at
तुम
me?
कब से इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो?
Since when are you? Have you been speaking English?
तुम कब से इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो?
Since when have you learning English?
हैव यू बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश?
Okay.
मैं 2 घंटे से खड़ी हूँ.
I'm standing here for 2 hours.
I
I have been standing here for 2 hours.
मैं 2 घंटे से बैठी हूँ.
I have been sitting for 2 hours.
ये वीडियो बन रही है.
This video is recording.
दिस वीडियो इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड या रिकॉर्डिंग. बहुत अच्छे. ओके, नाउ गिव मी सम चैप्टर्स. आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अ एक्सट्रीम रैपिड फायर नाउ. ओके. शुड आई स्टार्ट नाउ?
Yes, sir.
ओके. तुम्हें इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए.
You should speak
तुम
English.
इंग्लिश बोलोगे.
You will speak
तुम इंग्लिश
English.
बोल सकते हो.
You can speak English.
तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते थे.
You could speak English.
यू कुड हैव स्पोकन इंग्लिश. तुम इंग्लिश बोलने वाले हो.
You are about to speak
तुम इंग्लिश
English.
क्यों बोलने वाले हो?
Why are you about to
तुम
speak
इंग्लिश
English?
कब बोलने वाले हो?
When are you about
क्या
to
तुम
speak
इंग्लिश बोल
English?
सकते हो?
Can you speak English?
तुम्हें यहाँ आना चाहिए.
You should come here.
तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए.
You should not come here.
तुम यहाँ कब आओगे?
When will you come
क्या
here?
तुम खाना बना के थक गई हो?
Are you tired of making food?
क्या तुम वीडियो बना के थक चुके हो?
Are you tired of recording video?
तुम वीडियो बना के क्यों थक चुके हो?
Why are you tired of recording a video?
इंग्लिश बोलने में 5 मिनट लगते हैं.
It takes 5 minutes to speak English.
इंग्लिश बोलने में 5 मिनट नहीं लगते हैं.
It doesn't take 5 minutes to speak English.
इंग्लिश सीखने में 6 महीने लगते हैं.
It takes 6 months to learn English.
गलती से भी यहाँ मत आना.
Don't come here even by mistake.
गलती से भी उससे बात मत करना.
Even by mistake, don't talk to them. Yeah.
वर्षा आज नहीं आई.
Varsha did not come today.
वर्षा आज क्यों नहीं आई?
Why she did not come today? Why
Varsha-
did she not come today?
वर्षा आज क्यों नहीं आई?
Why did she
मेरी
not
चाय
come
पीने की
today?
आदत है.
I have a habit of taking tea.
ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम कौन हो.
It doesn't matter who are you.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम क्या कर रहे हो,
It doesn't matter what are you doing.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम वीडियो क्यों रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो,
It doesn't matter why are you recording video.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम यहाँ क्यों खड़े हो,
It doesn't matter why are you standing here.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम इंग्लिश कब सीखोगे,
It doesn't matter when will you learn English.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि लड़का कौन है,
It doesn't matter who is that boy.
हु इज दैट बॉय।
Boy.
मैं शाहरुख खान का बहुत बड़ा फैन
I'm
हूँ,
a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan.
मैं खाना पकाने की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ,
I'm a big fan of cooking food.
मैं क्रिकेट खेलने की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ,
I'm a big fan of playing cricket.
मैं पानी पीने का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ।
I'm a big fan of drinking water.
क्या तुम भी पानी पीने के बहुत बड़े फैन हो,
Are you also a big fan of drinking?
क्या तुम भी सलमान खान के बहुत बड़े फैन हो,
Are you also a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan?
मैं शाहरुख खान का बहुत बड़ा फैन नहीं हूँ,
I'm not a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan.
मैं भी शाहरुख खान का एक बहुत बड़ा फैन नहीं हूँ,
I'm also a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan.
मैं भी शाहरुख खान का एक बहुत बड़ा फैन नहीं हूँ।
I'm not a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan either.
Either. That's nice. That's great. That's great. Okay. तुम्हें कौन खिलाता है,
Who make you feed?
who make you eat, who feeds you,
Okay.
ठीक है। तुमसे कपड़े कौन धुलवाता है,
Who make you wash clothes?
who makes you wash clothes। मेरी मम्मी मुझसे बर्तन धुलवाती हैं,
My mother makes me wash.
सर हमसे
utensils.
वीडियो बनवाते हैं,
Sir makes us record a video.
मैंने उस लड़की को अपने बगल बिठाया,
I let her sit on the behind
नो नो
me.
नो नो, आई मेड दैट गर्ल सिट बिसाइड मी, दैट्स नाइस। ओके, मैं गया,
I went.
मैं आया,
I came.
मैं क्यों आया,
Why did he come?
मैं क्यों आया,
Why did I come?
तुम कब आए,
When did you
तुम
come?
क्यों आए,
Why did you come?
तुम किसके साथ आए,
With whom did you come?
क्या तुमने दिवाली मनाई,
Did you celebrate Diwali?
तुमने दिवाली क्यों मनाई,
Why did you celebrate
तुमने
Diwali?
किसके कहने पे दिवाली मनाई,
At the behest of whom did you made Diwali? You
मैं
celebrate
उठती हूँ,
Diwali. I wake up.
मैं सुबह 7 बजे उठती हूँ,
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
मैं 7 बजे उठने के बाद पानी पीती हूँ।
After waking up at 7 o'clock, I take a water.
ओके ओके ओके, नाउ मेरा तुमसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है,
Sir, I don't know about that sentence.
आई हैव नथिंग टू डू विद यू।
Okay.
मेरा वीडियो से कोई लेना देना नहीं है,
I have nothing to do with this video.
उसका इस वीडियो से कोई लेना देना नहीं है,
He has nothing to do with this video.
शी हैज नथिंग टू डू विद दिस वीडियो।
Video.
तुम कौन हो,
Who are you?
तुम अभी कहाँ हो,
Where are you right now?
तुम कल कहाँ थे,
Where were you yesterday?
तुम कल कहाँ होगे,
Where will you be tomorrow?
क्या तुम नाच रहे हो,
Are you dancing?
क्या तुम अकेले नाच रहे हो,
Are you dancing alone?
तुम अकेले क्यों नाच रहे हो,
Why are you dancing alone?
तुम वहां चले जाओ,
Go there.
यू
You go there.
यू गो देयर। मैं खड़ी हुई हूँ,
I'm standing here.
मैं चाय पीने की आदी हूँ,
I'm used to taking tea.
मैं स्मोक करने की आदी हूँ,
I'm used to smoking.
मैं तुमसे मिलने की आदी हूँ,
I'm used to meeting you.
मैं क्रिकेट खेलने की आदी हूँ,
I'm used to playing cricket.
मैं वीडियो गेम से भली भांति परिचित हूँ, मैं
I'm
वीडियो गेम से
familiar with
परिचित
this.
हूँ,
I'm familiar with video game.
आई एम फैमिलियर विद
Video
वीडियो
game.
गेम। मुझे आराम करने की जरूरत है,
I need to take rest.
मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने की जरूरत है,
I need to speak English.
मुझे अकेले ही वीडियो बनाने की जरूरत है,
I need to record a video alone.
अलोन। तुम्हें इनसाइट एकेडमी ज्वाइन करने की जरूरत है,
You need to join Inside Academy.
इनसाइट एकेडमी। ओके, सो मे आई हैव अ रैपिड फायर इन इंग्लिश टू विद यू।
Absolutely.
ओके, व्हाट्स योर नेम,
My name is Sweetie.
वेयर डू यू लिव,
I live
लुक
with
इनटू द
my.
कैमरा,
I live in a Delhi.
you live in Delhi, what do
Yeah.
you do,
Nowadays, I'm a student and I studied.
what will you do in your future,
I did not think about that. What will I do in my future?
okay, don't you know that what you have to become,
No, I don't know what do I have to become.
what do you have a habit of doing in your free time,
Firstly, nowadays I don't have free time, and if I get a free time, so I do lots of things like I operate laptop and I talk to my family members.
how many siblings do you have,
I have 2 siblings.
do you beat them,
No, I don't beat them because I am a younger one at my home.
so being the younger one you can't beat them,
No, I can't beat them.
if you beat them so what will happen to you,
If I beat them, so my parents will scold me like you are not able to beat them. That's all.
you are really not capable of beating them,
No, I'm not capable of beating them.
you are not allowed to beat them or you are not capable of beating them,
I'm not allowed to beat them.
yeah you are capable of beating them, if I give you 100 rupees so would you like to beat them,
Yes. If you give me 100 rupees, I will beat them, and I will 50. I will have them.
You
I
will
will
make
give
a share of
50.
50-50.
Yeah.
okay, are you familiar with the iPhone,
Yes, I'm familiar with iPhone, but not that much.
how many times have you operated iPhone,
I have not operated iPhone because I don't have.
what do you drink, water or alcohol,
I drink water.
water, why do you drink water,
If we have to live, so we are compelled to take water. That's why I drink.
but why don't you take alcohol,
because alcohol is injurious to our health. If we have some like disease, so we can take on a small scale, not a large scale.
Do you have a phone?
No, I don't have. I have phone, but not my personal.
Do you need a personal phone?
No, I don't need a personal phone because I have a laptop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you compelled to join this tuition?
No, I'm
Sorry,
not
are you compelled to come to this tuition?
No, I'm not compelled to come this tuition. I want to learn English. That's why I'm.
Why do you
coming in
want
this
to
tuition.
learn English?
I want to speak English. Like I want to communicate with someone in English. Like right now, I'm standing here and I'm speaking with you. That's all. That's why.
Do you feel that you are a confident speaker?
Yeah, absolutely. If I'm standing here and I'm speaking English with you, so exactly I'm a confident girl.
Okay. Is it necessary to take bath on daily basis? Is it necessary to
Yeah,
take
it
bath?
is necessary to take bath on a daily basis because when we take bath, so we feel like very like.
Do you steal money?
No, I don't steal money.
You don't have a habit of stealing money.
No, I don't have a habit of stealing money because whenever I want to buy something, so my parents provide me.
What if your parents do not provide you the thing, whatever you're trying to buy, they don't give you the money? What will you do? What will be your next step?
Firstly, my parents are very good and they provide me everything, whatever I want, whatever is my need. So I don't need to steal anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should you have ever visited any kind of, you can say, historical places? Should you have visited any historical places? Have you ever been to any historical places?
I have never been to these type of historical places because my parents are not interested to wander or to visit anywhere.
Okay. So are your parents good to you or bad to you?
My parents are good to me.
Okay. Are you good at maths?
I'm good at math, but not that much.
In which class do you study? 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th?
I'm in 10th standard.
In your
I'm
you
in
know
10th
the reason
standard.
why we have only 1 to 12th classrooms? Why don't we go for 13, 14, 17, 15, 16? Did you ever think of it?
I thought at one time, but I did not search on a Google what is the reason of behind the situation.
Do you use Google?
Yes, absolutely.
Tell me 5 advantages of using Google. Why to use Google?
We use Google for there are so many ways to use this. Like if I have
I'm
any
not
doubt.
talking about ways. I'm talking about the advantages.
Okay, 5
The pros.
advantages. If we have doubts, so we can solve from that. If we don't have anyone, so we can talk to the Google. And if we want any suggestion, then we can take. And I'm not capable of thinking all two, so maybe I
Why
know
are you
only
not
three.
capable of thinking all the benefits of using Google? Don't you use Google on daily basis?
I use non daily basis. Sometimes,
Only sometimes.
yeah.
What do you mean by sometimes?
Sometimes that means not every day. Today I did not use Google.
Okay. Are you obsessed with your family?
You can say that.
Okay. So now, Sweetie, tell us
Yeah.
something about your day. How was your day today?
Okay. So firstly, today was my good day, not bad. And today I went to the school and I did study. I talked to my friends, and today I fought with my friends for some reason, and I don't want to share that.
Your friends, but previously you mentioned that you don't have any kind of friend. Then
I said that I talk to everyone, not a person, like not. It's not fixed like someone is my friend. I only on say that.
but just you said that you talked to your friend. Who is that friend then?
Like I fought with some of my classmates. You can say that.
So all your classmates are your friend.
Yeah, for me, they all are my friends.
So did you get any kind of friendship band for them?
Yeah, I bought some friendship band and I gave someone. I did not give everyone because I don't go. I
You know
did not go.
what would your brother be doing right now?
Maybe my brother would be doing operating phone.
He would be operating phone.
Yeah.
Why did you think that he would be operating phone? Instead of thinking it, you could have thought that he would be studying, he would be doing something great work in his life. But
No.
why exactly did you think of the fact that he would be operating phone?
As you said that you can. Why did you say that? Because I know very well about my brother, and now the day he doesn't have time to operate phone. So at that time he did not go to the tuition. That's why today it's a free day for my brother. So that's why he would be operating phone.
He must be operating
Phone. Yeah.
Do you drink water on daily basis?
Yeah, absolutely. I drink
What is
water
your
on a daily basis.
what is your most delicious food according to you?
I like to eat aloo ke parathe.
Okay. Are you able to make it on your own?
Yes, absolutely. I'm able to make it.
Okay, so it was all from our side. We will again shoot a new video and I will show you the next video. So how was the video? Please drop a comment in the comment box. How was the performance of this girl and how was she performing? What are the areas of interest? What are those areas in which she can make herself much more better than this? So let us know in the comment box. So would you like to say something?
I would like to say this type of things like if you like this video, so please subscribe the channel and like the video.
So see you soon.